Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of these guys. I'm not really going to be teaching you how to make one of these, but I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own design on one of these guys. Basically, first I'm going to tell you how I made them. Let's start with this one. Actually, my second design. Whoop, this one's big enough. So basically what I did is I took some, how do I say this? Some navy paint, probably like Apple Barrel, really cheap. And then I took Crayola clay and a dragon thing, and that's all you need for these. Cheap clay and a dragon and paint. Dragon, paint, cheap clay. Super duper simple and not expensive. So basically, I just painted him navy blue with Apple Barrel or a different brand of cheap paint. And then I took Crayola clay and kind of slapped it on there and just created a design. I would recommend swirls, things over the wings, or at least something on the tail. You can even reshape things or add more detail. I kind of just kept this guy pretty simple because it was my second makeover and I didn't want to make him crazy hard. So then, next. This guy is actually my number one first. He's really, really cool, and he's actually a character design I made, and I love him. It's actually supposed to be her, I'm just calling it him right now. So the wing design right here fell off, and then this is still on, but that's kind of what this was supposed to have. And then I made a swirl around the tail, red spikes, and since I love this guy and it was actually one of my character designs, that's the reason why he has a lot more design than this. If you see it. Anyway, so then once you see this, I added swirls, kind of like that, and then I added a little thing right here for its tail, and then I added a swirl around its neck right here, and then a thing around its mouth and red eyes, and then even a little tiny tongue if you can see it. So then basically that's what I did. Also, I included shoulder pads in this. But first, before you start doing your project, well, in the middle of the project, whenever you finish the first layer or coat or whatever it is of your painting, or the base coat of just whatever, this is what I meant to say. Whenever you finish the color of your dragon, the main color, this black color, or really pink, neon, anything you want. What you want to do is you can use Mod Podge or something else, but I was really cheap and I do not have any of that stuff, so I didn't really go out to buy it or do anything else. So I just kind of kept it unprotected. That's why you might see these little blue parts. So yeah, that's what you might get. But anyway, all you need is a simple little dragon. Let's see. And these can be really, really cheap no matter what your project is. Sometimes they can be really big and expensive, but for these little projects, you kind of want this size of them. And today I'm not really going to be doing it, but I'm just going to be showing you. So let's see. For this guy, you would just want to have this. You want to have a cheap little toy, and you can actually get a pack of these for pretty cheap. It isn't too expensive. And then what you want to do is you want to grab some paint. Here's some coral paint. Let's say I wanted to paint him coral. I'll get my paintbrush and paint him coral. Then what I would have to do is grab my Crayola clay or a different really cheap clay that you can buy easily at like the dollar store. It's pretty inexpensive and it's not it's not too costly or expensive. That's what I meant to say. So it's not like you're paying $1 million for something. You know what I mean? Hopefully. So then you want to have your Crayola clay, dollar store clay, really any type of cheap clay that you can find. Or if you would rather prefer, you can use expensive or just normal clay. So then all you need are these. And this is fine. So then you would paint it coral. And then what you would do is you would just add clay all over it or whatever you want to your design. I would not recommend using something that's 3D or cannot be flattened, like buttons. Like, you do not want to really put buttons or anything on this. And these are actually good for customizing because they're cheap, it's easy, and it's really fun to do. You just need a cheap little toy, a paint, a type of paint, any color, your choice, and then some clay. And this is probably like $5 or less. So it's awesome. So then once you put all of that together, you're really gonna have one of these, or at least a really fun project to do over this. So everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe, have fun, and hope you enjoyed this video. And remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.